Hi guys, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm here at Raglan. It's a bit iffy this year in summer and the weather is really unpredictable, so I thought I would make the most of this beautiful sunny day by driving down to Raglan, which is only about a 2-hour drive from where I live. I heard the beaches here are beautiful, so I'm going to relax and enjoy the weather. I also heard that there's a beautiful waterfall nearby, which I'm going to go explore later on.
Here on my own again. All these words you remember when we began. We traversed the sky together. We make the skies our home. Soon find the told to remember. I just can't stand to feel alone.
So I'm just on my way to the gym right now. So today I am going to be doing shoulder workout. The last couple of times I did my shoulder workout, the sessions weren't that great. So today I'm going to be really focusing on that mind-muscle connection and just get a better workout. That's what I'm going to be doing. And also, since I've started my cut, I'm also going to be doing HIIT today. It's gonna be interesting and I'm a little bit nervous and also excited. I just want to see where my cardio level is at. I think I'm gonna suck today. Not even sure if I can keep up, but yeah, I'll try to record it. Probably won't look nice doing the cardio because I'll be suffering doing my HIIT session. But yeah, that's the plan for today. I'll take you guys to my workout. So I'm thinking of doing 1 minute run at about 9 pace and with a really high resistance, and then go back down to around 5k per an hour. I think it's on the treadmill. I'll record it and show you what the actual numbers are. So that 1 minute run and 1 minute steady state walking. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I am pretty nervous to see how that goes because I haven't really done high intensity training in a while. So yeah, it would be interesting to see where my cardio levels are at. I'm doing HIIT because, as you know, I'm cutting. I need to incorporate more cardio into my routine. I've been doing a couple of steady state sessions, but I think instead of using HIIT would be good. I'll start off with HIIT once a week just to kind of get my heart rate up and also get used to running at such a high speed and just get my heart ready for all of the HIIT sessions that are going to be coming up during my cut. So yeah, that's my plan for the gym today. I'll take you guys and show you how my workout looks.
Counted all your aces, you ain't winning. Your phone book full of numbers and a name. All them vain decisions keep you jaded. You could have found the one, but you won't change. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'd be glad to meet me. If I were aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and taking it slow. Yes, overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me? I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Keep on playing it, saying it's in your nature. Then you go on, so can't blame it all but you. Let you set your heart for failure. You should be glad I'm here and making you. So aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should, I'd be glad to meet me. If I were you, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I make a real good song out of you, time and taking it slow. Yes, overdue, aren't you glad to meet me? I think you should. I mean, I really think you should, yeah. Aren't you glad to meet me?